Hello guys, I'm Mickey, and if you just tuned to my channel, I actually want you guys to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the box below. It's got my face in it, so just click on the box and subscribe to my channel. And I don't want you guys to miss out on any interesting skincare reviews here to come from me. And cream mixtures, yes, I mean cream mixtures. I'm going to be mixing cream for you guys to see. And stay tuned for the next video that's about to come on. Yep, it's about to come. Hello guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel. And if you're just tuning to my channel, please subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you can be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. Well, most of my YouTubers and actually my subscribers are actually rooting out for my website. It's going to be up and running by next month. I promise you guys. And apart from that, it's going to be easier also for you to get my ebook. Most of my ebook is going to be easier for you to get it in one place. Instead of you going to Amazon and looking for my ebook or putting out the names of what you're looking for in my ebook, it's just going to be easier for you on my website. And also for the products, for people who have ordered the ebook and people who are yet to order the ebook, the products that are actually listed in the ebook, most of them are going to be found on my website. So it's going to be easier for you to get the products that you're looking for, the product you're searching for. You know, it's going to be easy. Oh, I think this is the product she means. I've not seen this before. Thank God she hasn't. I'm probably just going to order. And it's not just only synthetic. You're also going to be getting organic products. So you want raw cocoa butter, you want raw mango butter, you want raw avocado butter. It's all going to be there. So today I'm actually going to be talking about a trend. There's this trend on YouTube right now about 2 days bleaching cream. Honey, you and I know there's no cream that can bleach you in 2 days. You know that, right? I'm really talking to you guys, man. Like, you know that, right? There's no cream in this world, be it advanced whitening cream or advanced hydroquinone. Should I say hydroquinone at its peak or steroid at its peak? It will not whiten you in 2 days. It will not do that. Even glutathione injection cannot do that in 2 days. Glutathione injection whitens you in 2 weeks to a month giving you the effectiveness you want. So who brought this up by saying 2 days whitening cream? Are you kidding me? There's no cream. I'm going to repeat it again. There's no cream that will whiten you in 2 days. No. Don't go around damaging your skin and looking for an easy way out to whiten your body. Oh, please, I'm actually going for this party. I'm actually going for this. I want to whiten my skin. Honey, this is your beauty. You need to cherish it. So using or looking for an easy way out is not always the best option. Consistency. You're going to get the color you want if you're consistent. Okay. Now, for people who actually are working class, people who probably don't have time, this recipe I'm actually going to give out now, I don't think it's for you. Because if you're looking for 2 days whitening cream, I can actually just dish out 7 days whitening cream. Yes, there's 7 days whitening cream, but at your risk. Exactly. That's what I'm just going to tell you. It's going to be at your risk. I'm going to display the products out so you guys get to see. It's going to be displayed on the screen right now. There's a product called Extreme Whitening Cream. It's I think it's in a bluish container. When mixed with whitening serum, can actually whiten you within 7 days. But the problem about that cream is most people don't know. After whitening you, giving you the effectiveness, it's going to giving you fine skin and all that. With time, when you go out in the sun, your body becomes red. I mean red. Apart from that, after staying in the sun for a while, for a long period of time, it becomes red. Apart from that, your knuckles, you begin to have knuckles. Instead of having a smooth, clean hands like this, you're gonna have knuckles around here. You're gonna start seeing knuckles. And you might also start noticing some little bit of discoloration in your body. That's what you get for easy access to things. Quick. We Africans, we want quick. You shouldn't be in a hurry. Take your time. Most times there are creams who, at first, you think, it damaged my skin. Like, let me use, for example, when I started using PR Francois Bedon lotion and the mixture I used. At first, I felt, and then I was probably studying. So I was going out in the sun, I was going to school and all that. So I didn't really notice the whiteness on my body, or maybe it was working and all that. So when I started staying indoors, I started noticing, wow, this thing cleared my spots on my back. It also cleared my spot here. Wow, I never noticed. Really? Wow, it's a good cream. But it took 1 month, not 2 weeks. But in 2 weeks, I was seeing a good result. I'm not gonna lie about that. I was seeing a good result. But 1 month, I was becoming white. Okay. So now I'm actually gonna rate out 10 days. For 10 days whitening cream, it's possible to have a good skin, not a stretch mark or sunburn and all that. No, a good whitening skin. You're gonna have that in 10 days. It's possible. Really, really possible. But now it depends on how well you can actually put yourself to work. Yep. Apart from being consistent or actually having the best cream or the lotion that will actually whiten you, you also have a role to play, because you need a scrub. You need a whitening scrub. I'm actually going to display a scrub that you can actually use to whiten your skin. Extreme scrub, also called Extreme Collection. Really lovely scrub, really, really lovely. And the granules are not really so visible. You don't get to see the granules there. So if you notice, when you get to put it on your body or you scrub it on your body, there's no granules. You just add brown sugar into it. Simple. Adding brown sugar into it will help exfoliate your body better. And apart from that, you need to scrub every day. If you're looking for whiteness sharp sharp, I'm going to call it whitening sharp sharp, whitening sharp sharp. You're gonna exfoliate every single day. You're gonna have to scrub every day, and most especially you're gonna focus on this part and your knees. You're gonna focus down on that part, because those ones are actually very, very, very how would I put the word, vulnerable. Exactly, that's the word I'm looking for. They're vulnerable to dark patches and dark knuckles. So you have to keep scrubbing every day. Most times you don't even need a knuckle set or knuckle serum or knuckle cleanser, because just the scrub can actually do it for you. If you scrub every day and use a good cream, you massage the cream on your knuckle for a long period of time, you keep massaging, you bathe again, you use a sunscreen lotion in your palm, because people that have knuckles, I must tell you the truth, you need sunscreen. Most times you notice that you probably used maybe a cleanser, a knuckle cleanser that has worked for you, then you say, it didn't work again, it stopped working. No. So it's because you neglected the fact that you need to use sunscreen lotion in your palm. This is different from someone who never had some knuckles before. You've had knuckles, so you have to be careful with your knuckles. But you need to just keep putting sunscreen, applying sunscreen, so you don't go back to your former state. That's a problem with knuckles, and you have to use a good cream. So that's why I'm saying you have to scrub every day. But if you think you can't scrub your body every day, this should be scrubbed every day. Don't forget it. Scrub every day. I scrub every day. So keep scrubbing. You scrub it every day, because this is vulnerable. It's vulnerable to going back to its former state. That is what I mean. Number 2, how to actually achieve a whitening skin in just a few days. I mean, sharp whiteness. That's what I get to call it. That's the name. Well, you need to use a whitening soap. Whitening ingredient that will be added into your shower gels to actually make it whitening shower gel. Because when you add ingredient into your shower gel with your scrub working for you and a whitening soap, honey, do you know how your skin is going to look like? Sweet, beautiful, really, really beautiful. Okay, apart from that, there's a soap, a bar soap that I've used before. I stopped using, not because it's not good, it's actually good, but I noticed it's also a bleaching soap. Irish Spring is greenish in color. I'm going to display the picture right now on the screen. You guys are going to see it. Irish Spring is greenish And that soap is really lovely, but it's not advised to use on the face because it's a little bit harsh. Though it doesn't get to itch you or it doesn't get to give you any irritation whatsoever on your body, but you just notice after bathing, you notice your palm here, it gets to peel a little bit. So when I was staying in the house and I was using Irish Spring, I used Irish Spring for practically 3 weeks. I noticed I was white with my PR Frankos Bedon lotion. I stopped using the cream for a while and just the soap. I was white, just sitting in the house, going nowhere. I was so white with just Irish Spring. When I came out, I was like, ah. And someone was like, Monica, you're really white. And I was like, I stopped using PR Frankos Bedon lotion. I'm not using it. So the alternative is, if you cannot get Irish Spring, get a good shower gel. And this is actually for people who have ordered my ebook. Good for you. You get a good recipe. The whitening shower gel in the ebook is actually very good, where you get to have your magic potion and other ingredient into it. Good for whitening, as in really gets the whitening. Number 3 of how to get sharp whiteness. I keep saying it, sharp whiteness or effective whiteness. Well, you have to go for a good body cream. Exclusive whitening cream is, I won't say it's bad, it's a good cream, but it has its side effects. That's the thing about it. It has its side effect, but it will whiten you in 7 days if that's what you actually want to go for. It's also going to still be displayed on the screen because I displayed it earlier and I'm still going to display it again so you guys get to see it. It has its effects, but at the same time, it's a no-no because it will, even when you stop using it, it will take you back to your former state and give you knuckles. So why would you even want to waste your money to go for it? And if you actually want to go for a good cream, you can just WhatsApp me because I'm not going to display my recipe right now. I'm not going to do that, right? And if you actually want to go for a cheaper cream, but it also works, a cheaper cream but works, I'll display it. So it's not going to be like, she just wants people to buy her products. Some of you would say that. Well, no. You can actually go for L-Knit. I'm actually going to display the cream right now. It's a little bit rare to find. And I've used the cream before when I was still searching for the best cream to use on my skin, and I've not gone for skincare training and all that. I've used it before, and it was good on my body, but not on my face. It damaged my face, but it was good on my body. Then I didn't know there was a different texture with the face and the body. I never knew about that. This is when I went through the skincare physical training. I knew, there's some things you should not apply on your face. There's some things you should apply on your face. So L-Knit is going to be displayed on the screen, as I said earlier. And it can be mixed with Labigenize oil. Labigenize as an oil. I think the oil goes for 3,000, 3,005. Yes, you don't use all the oil. So use maybe quarter of the oil with L-Knit. It will whiten you. It will. It did lighten me. I was so light, but my face was damaged because I mistakenly used the ingredient on my face. Stupid of me, I know. Well, if that's the recipe you want to go for, well and good. And also, if you actually want to go for other whitening creams like Cameroon based cream and other ingredient added into Cameroon based cream to give you that whiteness in 2 weeks, 10 days, you can actually get it with that recipe as well. Number 4 of how to achieve sharp whiteness. You need to stay under the AC. For someone who works night and day under the sun, honey, you will not get white too. Because 1, the ray view of the sun actually gets to aid in enhancing melanin skin. That's the thing. It helps building up melanin in the body, so you would definitely not have a whitening skin if you're always going out in the sun. So it's actually, even if you add sunscreen lotion, into it, it won't. So, but you have to add a protective cap and stuff like that to do you good, since the face is actually more exposed to the sun. So you get to notice your face gets to become red and all that, and it's going to be giving you discoloration because of the sunburn. The ray view of the sun damages the skin a lot. It damages the skin. So staying in air condition, for people who probably don't go out much, you stay in the house. all well and good. Staying in the air condition 24/7, night and day. You know, okay, you probably go to work and you come back, you take your bath, you get to scrub 2 times, 3 or 4 times a day, because you want a sharp product. You have to scrub 3 or 4 times a day. I will tell you have to scrub. If you're looking for sharp, the scrubbing is what will make the cream work. And now, since you're scrubbing 3 or 4 times, you should also know you're going to be applying your cream like 3 times or 4 times, for morning, afternoon, night. You know now, because you want to achieve it quickly. So you have to be there for that effect. You have to be ready. You have to go through the stress. That's the thing. The more you use it, the more it works. That's it. You just allow the AC to sap into you. Wear loose clothing, allow the AC to sap into your body, and you notice before 10 days self, you start seeing some good results. And mind you, did I actually tell you guys that you should not use Iris Spring on your face? Please don't, because it's harsh and shouldn't start peeling your face. You won't want that now, would we? You can just go for a simple soap like K Brothers facial soap. Yeah, but a client of mine said the K Brothers doesn't work for her face, so you can actually just go for a simple soap. I'm actually going to show you a soap right now. Face soap like this one. I'm going to bring it closer to the screen so you guys can see it. Yes, you can just go for a simple face soap. Just simple. Use it on your face. And there's something you guys should know about face soap. Most people get to leave their face soap for a long time, and that causes burn on the face. The soap, even your body wash soap, if it's not too harsh and you can withstand washing it, you take it off immediately, you wash it off, it's still good. But when you get to leave your face, there's some people I know that get to wash your face. You get to leave the soap on your face for a while, and then you wash your body. It will burn your face. And harsh soap will burn your face within that period of time. So if you want to be like an expert using a cream, immediately you dab the soap on your hand, immediately you're washing it off. You're taking it off, because you see the texture of this face. It's really crazy. I'm going to tell you the truth. It's really, really, really different from the body. The harsh chemicals this body can take, this face can't take it. No, it can't take it. So you get to notice people having sunburn around here, having red patches around here. Honey, be careful what you use on your face, on your body. And I hope you guys enjoyed my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And I'm sorry if the camera is actually not a little bit too good. I'm still trying to look for a better camera. But apart from that, there's no light. The reflection of light is bad. I'm using the sun, and the sun is actually a little bit dim. So it's fluctuating, and stuff like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And I hope, since you've been watching this video and you're still not subscribed, honey, subscribe. Just push the like buttons. Push the like button, and also push the subscription buttons. You understand? My face is actually going to be displayed on the screen right now. So you just push it up on the screen. Just tip on my face on the screen. Like, oh yeah, let me subscribe to your channel. She's being honest, because that's what we do here. Honesty is the best policy. See you guys next time. Bye, guys.